Are you looking for ways to make money using your skills and knowledge? If so, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore how can you leverage the power of using Chat GPT to offer different services, which includes translation service, job description service, and article writing service. So if you are ready to learn how to turn your talent into profit, then keep watching. Translation service. If you have a talent for languages, you can offer this service to individuals and business. With ChatGPT, you can quickly and accurately translate your text and audio content into multiple languages. You can start by advertising your services into different freelancing platforms or social media platforms. You can also reach out to businesses that can require translation services for their websites, marketing materials, or communication with international clients. First, let's get into ChatGPT. As you all know, ChatGPT is an AI tool which is going to answer pretty much any question, right? I'm going to ask ChatGPT, give me content for how to lose weight in 10 days. So it started generating the content for how to lose weight in 10 days, right? I'm going to patiently wait for this. Once this is done, I'm going to teach you all like how to do the translation. Now ChatGPT generated the content. Let's translate this into Spanish. It started translating the same content into Spanish now. I'm not doing anything other than just giving the prompt here. That's the beauty of ChatGPT. See, this translated the entire content into Spanish within few minutes. Now let's check different freelancing platforms, how these providers are giving the service and how much potential this has got and how much money they are making. Let's go to Fiverr and let's pick translation here. And you could see there are so many people who's providing the translation service. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so there he is basically translating the same into Spanish. Okay, and he's charging $10 for 300 words, and he's charging like $300 for 9,000 words, and he's charging $475 for 16,000 words. Now let's put an average of least average of $100. He's charging for like an order, right? He has got like 1,500 reviews, and usually what I do is I calculate the reviews multiplied by 10. That will be the number of orders he would have got, right? So if you calculate this 1,500 multiplied by 10, that is going to be 15,000 orders he would have got by just translating English into Spanish. If you multiply the same with $100, it is going to be $150,000 he would have generated by just providing the service in one platform. It's insane amount. You can pretty much do the same when freelancer. You can also do the same in Upwork as well. You can also reach out to individual businesses by providing your translation service. This has got a potential of generating $150,000 to $300,000 per year by just providing translation service by just using ChatGPT. Job description service. Employers are always looking for talented individuals to fill their job openings. As a ChatGPT expert, you offer this job description service to the companies to attract the right candidates. You can simply use ChatGPT to write job descriptions which are clear, concise, and appealing to potential candidates. You can also provide editing and proofreading service to these companies to make sure these job descriptions are error-free and effective. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask, give me job description for full stack developer with Java, Angular, SQL, take a look. It is going to give you the complete job descriptions with job summary and all the responsibilities, what is required for the job description, and all the qualifications. There you go. It generated like a complete job description with job summary, responsibilities, qualifications with a good finishing touch. What else you want? Let's go to freelancing websites to see how much potential this has got and how much people are making with this. I'm getting into Fiverr. I'm going to search job description service. You see there are 9,875 services available. So that many people are basically selling in Fiverr, right? Let me go and pick one of the job description service seller. This seller has got like 77 reviews, and you could see she is offering between $30, $80 and $120. Okay, so let's put it as like average, like around like $70. Okay, let's put it like $70, and on an average she is making on this, right? If you multiply the 77 by 10, it is going to be 770 orders which she basically got through this job description service. And if you multiply that with 70, which is going to be 70 multiplied by 770, she generated around like $54,000 by just providing like the job description service. And this is just in one platform. If you go to like a different freelancing platforms like Upwork and Freelancer, that has got like a similar potential of generating this much money. So that means this has got a potential of generating around like $150,000, I would call it as, by just providing the job description services. Article writing service. Content is king. There is always a demand for high quality articles that engages and inform readers. As a Chat GPT expert, you can offer article writing service to individuals and businesses. You can use Chat GPT to research and write articles on variety of topics such as health, travel, technology, and lifestyle. You can also provide editing and proofreading service to ensure these articles are error-free and optimized for SEO. Let's ask Chat GPT, give me 1,000 words article on best travel destinations in the world. Now ChatGPT is going to give us like 1,000 words article on best travel destinations in the world. So let's wait for it. So it started printing. Now this generated like 1,000 words article on best travel destinations in the world. Now you can take this as a sample and start providing this article writing services into different freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer. Not only that, there are like so many digital marketing forums available like Black Hat World, Wicked Fire, Digital Point. Let's go to Fiverr and check how much people are making with this article writing service and how much potential this has got. So I'm going to click on articles and blog post, and you could see. So I'm going to click on this person. So as I told, I'm going to do 1,067 multiplied by 10. That many orders he would have definitely, and an average he would have got, because he got 1,067 reviews. If you multiply by the 10, he would have got like 10,670 orders easily, right? And if you multiply that with an average of $60, this would have got like around $600,000 just in Fiverr platform alone. Can you imagine? And you can start selling the service in Upwork, and you can also start selling this in Freelancer. And there are tons of digital forums available in the market like Black Hat World, Wicked Fire, Digital Point, and you can go and you can search like so many different places where you can start providing this kind of a service. And then imagine this has got a potential of generating like $1 million business per year. As you can see, there are many ways of generating money using ChatGPT. There is a growing demand for your skills and expertise. So don't wait and start exploring the opportunities today. With that, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, please leave your comment on what service you're going to pick and you're going to make money using ChatGPT. See you soon with another video.